Living on the edge.
What is up, everybody? Today we got a little video of me doing stacking up some thinly sliced chuck roast. We're doing some teriyaki jerky on my Nesco Dehydrator. I stack it up about 8 high, and I'm gonna make some jerky. This one right here is a spicy beef jerky. So most of it is teriyaki flavor, and I'll put the recipe in the description. And but this one here, I added a little bit of chile de árbol and Mexican pepper, which is kind of hot, so you can see it has kind of an orange tint to it. So teriyaki sauce. Then I added some hot sauce, some of that chile de árbol in there, and I'm gonna put some sesame seeds on this one just to make it different than the regular. And that's pretty much it. This is just me adding it to the dehydrator. Pretty simple stuff. Make sure you slice it thin. As a matter of fact, I didn't know you could do this, but get your chuck roast. My wife said, why don't you just give it to the butcher? Right? I just always been slicing it myself. She said, give it to the butcher, he'll slice it for you. I'm like, what? And he did. My wife went and bought these chuck roasts. They were on sale for like $2.99 or $3.99 a pound, which is a pretty good deal nowadays. And she got several packages and had the butcher slice it for jerky, and check it out how thin he did. Perfect for beef jerky. Oh. So from now on, that's what I'm gonna do. Because he sliced them to get on the camera beautifully. You have machines. I was using a knife. Anyway, so there's a little tip. Yeah, ask the butcher to slice it for jerky, and they will. I did not know this, and I'm not gonna say how old I am, but I did not know they would do that. I guess I did know, but I didn't ever want to bother them or didn't ever think about doing that. So anyway, great idea. Thanks to my wife. Good job, babe. And yeah, I'm going to fast forward here. Maybe I'll stop in a few different points just to let you know if I'm doing something different. Like a little bit, I'm going to add some sesame seeds to this one. And then I'm going to go from there. Tell you a little bit about my dehydrator that I got. It was a great deal. And yeah, that's fly rod on the left here. Kind of thinking about doing some fly fishing for some panfish or something. But anyway, enjoy the video, and I hope you like it. And I can do more like this if you just want to know about different things. Alrighty. No. Later. So here we go. I need finished putting the spices on there, spicy teriyakis, and I'm looking for some sesame seeds, and they're toasted sesame seeds. I don't remember the brand name, but just your regular toasted sesame seeds. And that's it for the spices. Now I'm busting into the regular, good old-fashioned teriyaki beef jerky. Just wanted to keep it simple. I mean, you can do all kinds of things. And I added a little bit of smoke flavor, so it's smoked teriyaki, really, but not too heavy on that. And that's it for now. I'll be back in a bit. So here I am just looking at this jerky like, what do I do? I'm like, go get your other dehydrator, dummy. You got 3 more stacks. So there I go. And this is the part I wanted to tell you. I had this older dehydrator, which works great, but I just wanted some more trays. And I went and searched online for the trays, and they're like freaking $30-$40 for just like 2 or 3 trays. Like, man, well, I guess you just make 2 batches. But I went on Facebook Marketplace, and people are selling the dehydrators for $20, $30, $40, you know. And I found this one that I'm using right now. It's brand new. They're like $89, $90 at Walmart. She was selling it for $30, and I just threw an offer out there of $20, and she said, okay, come get it. She don't use it. So I got this new dehydrator. I got 8 or 9 trays, so I can make jerky till the cows come home. Or, as my old culinary instructor used to say, you made enough jerky for Moses, right? So that's kind of funny. But anyway, there it is. All dunsies. Plug it in time. And we're good. Stay tuned. I'll post the second part of when they're done. I'll probably put it in there for about 4 or 5 hours, and we'll do a little taste test with my kids and my wife, and let's see how they turned out. Thanks for tuning in again. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.